Locating a route to fame. 1. Determine the level of fame you desire. There are many distinct levels of fame. You might be well known at work or school, for instance. You might be well known in your state or hometown. As an alternative, you may pursue global celebrity and try to become incredibly well known. It's up to you to choose how much fame you desire because each of these has distinct advantages and disadvantages. 2. Construct a special response to a challenge. Consider the issues you face both personally and globally. You might become well known for it if you can develop a special invention or solution. For instance, Marie Curie rose to fame as a creator of the X-ray and a scientist. Consider the issues in your life. Perhaps you're perpetually running behind schedule or detest daily shoe searches. What remedies could you think of to assist you and others with these issues? 3. Set yourself apart from the crowd. In some cases, if you have a distinct method of going about things or a distinct perspective on the world, people will recognize you just for being yourself. The secret is to follow your own path and be really you. Simply because you go about things in an unusual or peculiar way shouldn't make you change how you do them. Don't conform to stereotypes. Find your own special stunts if you enjoy skating. Find your own flair rather than going for the typical skater appearance. 4. Attend a reality show audition. Participating in reality TV is another option for people to gain fame. To be on a reality show, you don't always need to have skill. However, in some circumstances you need, like with singing competitions. To find out where and when you may audition, check out the websites for the performances. Generally speaking, being excited during your audition, especially regarding the play, is beneficial. Remember that the judges on reality competition shows could be harsh or cruel. But try not to take it personally. It is a segment of the program. 5. Be a special kind of generous. Even though it may seem counterintuitive, there are certain people who become renowned by doing something extraordinarily unique for others. Making a sizable donation is one option, but you might also just find an unusual approach to raise money. To collect money for a cause, for instance, you may set a goal of baking and selling 1 million brownies. 6. Send out a goofy video. A funny video posted online can earn you 5 minutes of fame in today's social media-driven culture. It doesn't have to be particularly challenging. Simply put, it must be interesting and entertaining. It could be something as basic as your cat making a weird noise. You may upload a video of yourself having fun in public or playing a hilarious song on your instrument. Make sure you're having fun while being innovative. Your viewers is more likely to appreciate the video if you're having fun. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.